In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your TradingView chart settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the key options that shape how your chart looks and behaves, so your workspace feels clean, readable, and tailored to how you trade. Start by heading to TradingView and opening a chart. Once the chart loads, look toward the top of the screen for the gear icon. That's your chart settings. Clicking it opens a panel with tabs that control your visuals and data display. Think of this panel as the command center for your chart's clarity. Begin with the Symbol tab. This is where you control how your candles, bars, or lines are drawn. You'll see options for colors, borders, wicks, and visibility of things like last price lines or session breaks. If you analyze multiple assets, keeping a consistent style here helps your eyes read price action faster and prevents confusion when switching symbols. Next, move to the Status Line tab. This affects the thin strip of information along the top of the chart area. Here you can show or hide the symbol name, time frame, OHLC values, indicator titles, and more. A good approach is to show only what you reference often, so you avoid clutter while keeping vital context at a glance. Open the Scales and Lines section to manage how price and time scales behave. You'll find options for showing values next to indicators, the countdown to bar close, and separators. These controls influence how easily you can line up price levels and quickly read where price is in relation to previous candles. If you prefer a minimalist look, you can keep scales lean while still surfacing the essentials you rely on. Head to Canvas to set the overall appearance of your chart area. Background color, grid intensity, session shading, and watermark visibility typically live here. A subtle background and a light grid can make candles stand out, reducing eye strain during longer sessions. Open the Trading tab to manage trade-related visuals. This includes buy and sell buttons, open position lines, order fills, and profit and loss displays. If you record or share your screen, consider which trade details you want visible to maintain a clean professional layout. Go to Alerts to adjust default alert behaviors. You can control how new alerts behave, what notifications you receive, and how prominently alerts appear on your chart. Consistent alert settings help ensure you respond quickly without being overwhelmed. Finally, visit Events to choose whether to display corporate actions, dividends, splits, or economic events. Showing only the events you track can reduce distraction. When you're satisfied, click OK to apply everything. Your chart now reflects your preferences, and you can revisit these tabs anytime as your workflow evolves.